Alright, so we're back at it. This video is going to be about cloning a specific tag release from a repository. Now, as you can see, we are on the master branch here with 13 commits and 3 tags. And in this master branch, the most recent push has the comment or message of rev-0.7.0 : added the 7th file.txt with an underscore, of course, there. And you can see the 7th file.txt files in here. And here's the comment. Here are some other tags by clicking on them. These are the actual tagged versions. And you can see they're numbered, just like we did in the previous videos. And these are different. These are basically saved snapshots in time of commits that I defined as being important, just like I did in the last video. I'm going to want to grab this particular tagged version of the repository. But let me show you why. Going back to the main repository, the master branch, we can see that we have the 7th underscore file.txt file. And, hold a sec. Excuse me. Sorry about the sneeze. And I already have this downloaded because I've cloned the master branch. And here's the 7th file.txt. If I do a git log, you can see that's what I downloaded. Was that particular commit number right there. And that was the message that I used for this particular commit number. And as you can tell through the history looking at this, I did a rev here, a rev there, a rev there. Did some branch merging from before, up on the web interface, and so on. So this is just to prove that this was cloned from the master branch and has 7th file.txt. What I want to do is go back to the prior version and do that by backing out of the directory. You can do that through Linux commands. cd space ... and then do rm space -rf, specify the Ansible notes directory. And now I don't have anything. Well, so now what I gotta do is the git clone of this rev. I just need the string, specifically that string right there. So what I'm going to do is hit the arrow up, and I'm going to show you the git clone command I used before because I didn't want to typo while trying to do this video. And we'll go further. This would have been basically the master branch with the 7th file, and I want to do git clone of this tagged version, but I have to specify -- depth equals 1 -- branch to specify the tag name. This is an argument to this switch, which is an argument to the git clone command, but we still have to specify the full URL, SSH URL for the repository. I'm going to hit the enter key, let it clone down, and we'll see this comment. No reason to get all excited, but take a look. You are in detached head state. You can look around, make experimental changes, and commit them, and you can discard any commits you make in this state without impacting any branches by switching back to a branch. Alright, so go ahead and do a listing of the directory. There's my Ansible notes from the project copy. Now this is the working directory. And now I don't see a 7th underscore file.txt. That's proven that I've gotten a copy of the rev-0.6.0 annotated version, or what we call in the Git terminology, a tag. So now we can make more changes. I can create a different file. Instead of 7th file, I can call it 8th file if I wanted to, or yet another file because you don't see that listed here, or whatever. Just realize that you can do that, go back in time essentially by doing a git clone of a specific tag version. And that's it.